What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. There are some secrets that handsome guys don't want you to know. Secrets that will instantly make you look more handsome and therefore more attractive as well. And today's video is all about that. I will show you 7 secrets and hacks that you can use in order to become your most attractive version ever. So if you're interested in learning more about that, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start directly with the video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. And also make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Let's start with number 1, wear more accessories. Keep your outfit minimal and use more accessories to make it stand out. If you want to look more attractive, you need to find a way to stand out and stop looking ordinary like everyone else. A lot of you guys are already going into the right direction by, for example, wearing a nice bracelet, chain or a watch. But let me ask you one question. Have you already heard about stacking up your accessories? It is basically the way of combining your accessories in a unique and matching way to make your whole outfit look complete and also upgrade your style to the next level. In my opinion, it is the best way right now to instantly upgrade your look and therefore look 10 times more attractive. And one brand that is focusing completely on that is rosegoldandblack. Rosegoldandblack are making the perfect accessories that are just made to combine with each other and stack them up. The great thing about rosegoldandblack is that they focus completely on minimal accessories for men, and therefore they offer a huge variety of different accessories that will help you to upgrade your look to the next level. So basically they offer high quality accessories that you can combine in a complete, unique way to make your outfit stand out and therefore look more attractive. For example, if you wear a chain, it already looks pretty good. But what about adding another chain or bracelet to this outfit? You can directly see how the whole outfit looks more unique and outstanding as well. And that is what you want to achieve. You want to keep your outfit minimal and then add some accessories to make it stand out. And rosegoldandblack is the perfect brand that can help you out with that. They even make it easier for you by offering stacks and sets of accessories, so you don't need to decide what accessory pieces go well together, and you will also save some money as well. Right now during their Black Friday sale they offer a huge discount, so you can get 40 to 50% off store-wide by simply using the link that is tagged in the description below. They also dropped a huge range of new accessory pieces, including new chains, pendants and rings, so definitely make sure that you check them out as soon as possible. This year the Black Friday sale is definitely insane, and I will also make sure that I get some new pieces of rosegoldandblack. As I said, the link is tagged in my description below, so definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity and upgrade your look to the next level. Alright, let's continue with number 2, wear some sunglasses. Have you ever wondered why celebrities are mostly wearing sunglasses? According to one expert, there's actually some science behind that. A researcher found out that people tend to look more attractive when they wear some dark shades. Simply because it will make your face look more symmetrical, it adds a little mystery and will also make you look more high value as well. So if you want to upgrade your attractiveness, definitely make sure to wear some sunglasses more often. Alright, let's continue with number 3, make yourself look taller. Unfortunately, it is true that women prefer taller men over short guys. But just because you can't change your genetical height, there are still a lot of things that you can do in order to look taller. For example, by sticking to more monochromatic looks, also known as colors that have the same shade. For example, an all black look doesn't only look really classy, but it will also make you appear taller as well. So definitely keep that in mind if you want to get the most out of your attractiveness. Let's continue with number 4, focus on the way you walk. The way you walk is so important simply because it tells a lot about your personality. It can show other people how confident you are, or if you are more a shy and insecure person. So make sure to show confidence while you're working, and very important, focus on the right posture because it will also make you look more confident and also taller as well. Let's continue with number 5. Stop crossing your arms. I can totally relate, it can become quickly a habit to always cross your arms when you're standing. But opening up a little bit will instantly make you look more attractive. One 2016 study found out that having a more open posture, especially when you're first meeting someone, will instantly make you look more confident and charismatic. Alright, let's continue with number 6. Look up or look ahead, but never look down. Always looking down is such a common bad habit. And I personally used to be a big victim of it as well. I know it feels so comfortable to always look down, but it just makes you look insecure and like a shy person. So basically, by always looking down, you're telling other people that you're not 100% confident with yourself. And besides that, it can also make you look some kind of lazy and like you don't know where you're heading to. And you don't want this kind of perception. Instead, make it a habit to always look up or ahead when you're walking. I promise you it is such a game changer, but it definitely takes time to practice it. But I promise you, if you master it, it will make you look 10 times more attractive and confident as well. And last but not least, number 7, wear a stubble beard look. According to a recent study, women find facial hair more attractive than a clean-shaved face. And the study also found out that the most attractive look for a man is the stubble look. So instead of always clean shaving your face, get yourself a trimmer and trim your beard to a short or medium length. With a stubble look, you will instantly look more handsome and therefore also attract more women as well. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. Also make sure to check out rosegoldandblack, they are linked in the description below, and get yourself some accessories to upgrade your look to the next level. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.